Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect KuCoin to Wave Wallet. This process is essential for managing your crypto assets, especially when participating in airdrops or depositing tokens. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and secure connection between your KuCoin exchange account and your Wave Wallet. Let's get started with preparing your KuCoin account. The first crucial step is to retrieve your KuCoin user ID, or UID. Simply log into your KuCoin account either through their website or the mobile application. Once logged in, look for your profile icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it, and you'll find your unique UID. Copy this number carefully, as it's vital for the next step. Now, switch over to your Wave Wallet. Many users access Wave Wallet through Telegram, so open the bot or application. Look for an option to connect a CEX wallet or a similar linking feature. Once you find it, you'll see a field where you can paste the KuCoin UID you just copied. Double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. After pasting your KuCoin UID, confirm the connection within your Wave Wallet. This action finalizes the linking process, allowing your Wave Wallet to interact with your KuCoin account for supported functions like deposits or airdrop distributions. Always ensure you're using official platforms for security. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.